After a week of enjoying our morning coffee and drinking in the beautiful view of the mountains from our cute little room at the Live the Life Lodge in Lentag, we decided it was finally time to explore the area. The Laguna de Busa, at the foot of the Cerro San Pablo, was our destination. Torrens' hardworking employee and our local expert, Francisco, gave us clear directions on how to take the bus from Lentag to Giron and then from Giron up to San Fernando. We love taking the bus because it adds to the local flavor of learning a place. Buses in Ecuador run frequently and are pretty inexpensive. The one-way cost per person was $3.25 up to San Fernando on the bus, and then another $1.50 for the truck ride the last few miles from town up to the lake. I usually love the music the drivers play. And it's always interesting to watch the landscape pass by while looking through the bus's windows, which enjoy a higher perspective. Whether you take the bus or a personal car, be prepared to deal with the state of the roads. They can be hair-raising. Although we're here in the dry season in June, we could still see and feel the effects that the rainy season had had on the road. We had postponed our little adventure by a few days because we witnessed how quickly a little rain changes the landscape. And Francisco had warned us that the higher altitude lake sometimes gets shrouded in clouds later in the afternoon, which we had also seen. That's why we headed up to the lake on a gorgeous sunny day. The weather was absolutely perfect. I'm just going to let some local music play in the background while the visuals of the day's trip play on the screen. You can see we strolled along the lake, enjoying the silence, making memories. An attempt using the drone. Still a bit nervous to fly it over water, but we flew it as high as possible in beginner mode and managed to capture a great shot of the Cerro San Pablo. Little by little, poco a poco, we'll continue to improve. Hopefully when we visit the famous waterfall, the Chorro de Girón, on our next adventure, we'll have even better drone shots. On the ride back, I couldn't decide between zooming in or zooming out. Everything was stunning and thrilling, as only the Andes can be. Here are a few last shots. So that was Laguna de Busa. We'll keep showing you what it's like to live the life here in Lentag, the good roads, the bad roads, and everything in between. Thank you for joining me here at Tentáculo Clases y Cultura. Yo me llamo Kelly. Muchas gracias y nos vemos.